When your Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, or Suzuki Power Sports vehicle needs maintenance or repair, trust the experts at Waynesville Cycle Center in North Carolina. Our state-of-the-art facility and factory-trained technicians are here to keep your motorcycles running at peak performance. We use the latest diagnostic equipment and specialty tools to service most power sport vehicles. Our technicians undergo rigorous training directly from these manufacturers, so you can have confidence your vehicle is in the most capable hands. We maintain a huge inventory of genuine OEM parts and accessories for these brands, as well as popular tire brands like Dunlop, Bridgestone, Michelin, Metzeler, and more. We stock many of the most common sizes for sport bikes, cruisers, supermotos, and dirt bikes, allowing us to complete tire changes quickly and get you back on the road. Our friendly service advisors are always happy to discuss your service needs and provide clear estimates up front with no surprises. Drop off your bike or motorcycle or wait on site in our comfortable customer lounge. Whether you need a routine oil change, a quick diagnosis for an odd noise, or assistance with crash repair estimates for you or your insurance company, we're here to help. We provide quick oil changes and basic services to keep your Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, or Suzuki motor running smoothly with fresh oil and a clean filter. When you have a tick, click, bang, or silence bothering you, our trained technicians are the odd noise and no noise specialists. We'll help you figure it out. You can ride with confidence, knowing your bike has been serviced by the best in the business. Schedule your service appointment today by calling 828-360-8465. Let's ride.